As the weather warms and days grow longer, we feel a renewed sense of energy and a longing for freshness. It's time to open our windows, let the sunshine in, and invite the vibrancy of spring into our homes. And what better way to do that than with a deep, invigorating spring cleaning? This season, let's go beyond the ordinary and discover a sense of joy in creating a clean, healthy, and harmonious living space. We'll work together to clear away the dust and clutter of winter, allowing positive energy to flow freely throughout our homes. Join me as we embark on this journey of renewal and discover the 5 essential cleaning products you didn't even know you needed. Let's create a home that sparks joy in every corner. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. The multi-purpose cleaner. This is the true hero of a tidy home, a versatile companion for your cleaning journey. When choosing a multi-purpose cleaner, I always look for one with natural ingredients. It's gentler on our homes and the environment, sparking joy on a deeper level. Let's see it in action. Here, I'm using it on my kitchen countertop, removing everyday spills and crumbs. See how effortlessly it cleans and shines? The same cleaner can be used in the bathroom to banish soap scum and watermarks from the sink, leaving behind a sparkling freshness. And for those stubborn, stuck-on messes on the stovetop, don't worry. This magical cleaner tackles grease with ease, restoring your stovetop to its former glory. Remember, a clean and clutter-free surface brings a sense of calm and clarity to our minds. The kitchen, the heart of the home, deserves our utmost care, and sometimes it requires a little extra help to maintain its sparkle. That's where the degreaser comes in, a powerful ally in our quest for a clean and happy kitchen. When choosing a degreaser, opt for one that is gentle yet effective, safe for various surfaces like stainless steel and delicate granite. It sparks joy to know that we're caring for our belongings with intention. Observe the magic as we tackle this greasy oven door. With a few spritzes and gentle wipes, the grime disappears, revealing the gleaming surface beneath. The same transformation can be seen in the bathroom, where our trusty degreaser makes quick work of grimy bathroom tiles. Remember, a clean kitchen is an invitation for creativity and nourishment, a space where we can truly thrive. Crystal clear reflections. The power of glass cleaner. Windows, like our eyes, are portals to the world. They deserve a clear and sparkling view. While water can cleanse, a good quality glass cleaner elevates cleaning to an art form, revealing a shine that sparks pure joy. Let's experience the difference. On one side of the mirror, we'll use only water. On the other, our glass cleaner. See how the glass cleaner effortlessly lifts away smudges and streaks, leaving behind a crystal clear finish? The key to a streak-free shine? Use a gentle side-to-side motion as you wipe. It's like polishing a precious gem, revealing its inherent brilliance. Remember, each cleaning motion is an act of care, a way to infuse our homes with love and intention. Microfiber cloths, a sustainable embrace. In our pursuit of a tidy home, let us not forget our responsibility to our planet. Microfiber cloths, with their incredible cleaning power and reusability, become our allies in sustainable living. Knowing we are minimizing waste brings a deep sense of satisfaction. These soft, magical cloths are like magnets for dust, lint, and even pet hair. Watch as I effortlessly glide it across the furniture, capturing every speck and leaving a spotless surface behind. The same cloth, with a simple rinse, is ready to tackle blinds, gently removing dust and allowing light to fill our homes. And for our beloved electronics, a dry microfiber cloth gently removes dust and fingerprints, keeping our devices sparkling and joy-inducing. Remember, choosing reusable options is a small step towards a more sustainable future, a cause that sparks joy in all of us. Embrace the joy of a clean home. As we conclude our spring cleaning journey, I invite you to reflect on the feeling of a clean and organized home. Doesn't it spark a sense of peace and serenity within you? Remember, cleaning is not just about chores. It's about creating a sanctuary, a space where joy resides. The multi-purpose cleaner, the degreaser, the glass cleaner, and the microfiber cloths. These 5 essentials, chosen with intention, can truly transform your cleaning routine. Embrace them, use them with care, and witness the transformation they bring to your home. And most importantly, share your journey with others. Tell me about your favorite cleaning tips, your go-to products, and the joy you find in a clean and organized space. Let's inspire each other to create homes that spark joy in every corner. As you've seen today, having the right cleaning essentials can make your cleaning experience more pleasant. Remember, We are not just cleaning our homes, we are creating spaces where peace and happiness can thrive. Take these tips and make them your own. Find what sparks joy for you in the process and let that positive energy flow into every corner of your home. Leave us a comment below telling us which tip is your favorite. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.